Hi, my name is Braden, and I chose to do my slide design project on an ad campaign done by Stihl. If you're unfamiliar with Stihl, it is a power tool company. They sell generally landscaping power tools. Um, the founder of the company is Andreas Stihl, and he actually invented the first chainsaw in 1926. Stihl to this day is the #1 chainsaw selling company in the world. Fun fact. Um, Now, the ad campaign, I mentioned that because the ad campaign that they chose to do, it's called Get Real, Get Outside, and it has kind of a outdoor message behind it. As you can see, the ads all take place, the photos in the ads take place outdoors and have kind of a realistic, familiar feel to them. I'm going to choose to focus on this ad with the bird, and we'll go ahead and focus on the alignment. In this slide, as you can see, the alignment in this ad is align left. It carries one word on each line, and the text is placed on the left side of the photo. Here we notice the color and feel. In the images, as I mentioned in this campaign, are all real photos. They're familiar and they bring up memories for those that view the ads. The campaign also uses white lettering, which provides good contrast for those reading through the message. And it also helps those block letters stand out a little bit as well from the background image. One thing I like about this campaign is that it uses a double meaning in a sense that it takes a term that we use for social media or electronic devices and it twists that term into something a little bit more natural. In this case, as you can see in the draw over, the word tweet, as we're familiar with the social media platform Twitter, it takes that word and it translates that over to be literal in this sense, showing a bird, and it says where the first tweet was posted. So it uses a little bit of humor and also a little bit of that double meaning to get his point across. It says get real and get outside. And so each of those ads in this campaign uses that double meaning with some kind of electronic device or electronic new age media term that we hear. So this is the ad, the new ad that I had created, and we'll get a little bit more into detail with this analysis. So the alignment, as we mentioned before in the previous ad, remains the same and provides a little bit of repetition for the campaign. It's aligned left as well as one word per line, and it also is on the left side of the page, just like the original ad. The color and feel as well remains the same. The image in the background is a real familiar image, one of the girl watching sunset. It also uses the white lettering to help contrast so that typography can pop off the page, and it also maintains that throughout the campaign, keeps it consistent. In this frame, we focus on the double meaning. Binge watching is one of those terms that has come about mainly from people that from television series or Netflix series where people will go in and watch a whole bunch of episodes at once as opposed to watching them as they come out each week. In this ad, the as you can see in the draw over, the term binge watching is referring to taking in the sunset in this case. And so it uses that electronic or the New Age term and it twists it to mean something a little bit more natural, something outdoors. And so that kind of adds to that whole campaign, where you can see that all of the ads use those different design elements to maintain their consistency. And I believe that this new ad has achieved that consistency, as it has the similar typography, it has a real filling picture, and it has that double meaning. And as such, it fits in and works with the campaign. Thank you for your time.